Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for Martyr's Day, which is on 30th January. And the script is, "O Lord, grant me 100 births in India, and let each life be dedicated to my motherland." Such bold lines reminds us that there are people who have really made history and we call them martyrs. Heartiest morning to respected principals or teachers and my fellow friends. My name is Radhika from class 8, standing in front of you to present today's morning assembly. We have gathered here to observe Martyrs' Day, also known as Shahid Divas. This day marks the sacrifice of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He laid his life for the ideals of truth, non-violence, and peace. To begin today's somber occasion, I, on behalf of Shivaji House, request to all to join hands, close eyes, and invoke the blessings of the Almighty. And after prayer, I invite Smita from class 8 to kindly lead us in the pledge. Thank you very much, Smita. We could live in a free country. Mahatma Gandhi may be gone, but his contribution to make India a free nation will always be remembered by us all. With this, I invite on stage Ishita from class 8 to share today's thought with us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ishita. Thought of the day is, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. I repeat, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. By Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Listening to the news keeps us informed, aware, confident, and connected to the world. Let's listen to today's news headlines, and I would like to call upon Vriddhi from class 7 to share today's news headlines. Thank you very much, Vriddhi, for sharing today's news headlines with us. Martyrs' Days help us remember the value of freedom and inspires us to follow the ideals of unity, harmony, and selfless service to the nation. Let's listen more about this day. Let's know more about what does this day reminds us. I invite on stage Ratish from class 9th to deliver a speech. And thank you very much, Ratish. Let us now observe 2 minutes of silence and pay homage to all the martyrs of our nation. Thank you very much, everyone. Here we are remembering the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and martyrs. The song unite us, create a sense of national pride, and motivate us to be responsible and loyal citizens. I invite on stage students from class 9 to present a patriotic group song. Truly heartfelt. Thank you so much, everyone. And now it's time to honor our nation and express loyalty to it by singing national anthem together. And after national anthem, dear God, help us become responsible and patriotic citizens, honoring the brave martyrs' sacrifice every day. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you everyone for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.